Next is circulatory system. Yes, circulatory system. Circulatory system. Heart and blood vessels like veins and arteries work as a system. So inside our body we have a heart, isn't it? Just keep your hand on the left side of your chest. Left side, just keep your hand, you can hear the heartbeat. Yes, it is heart. Then inside there are some blood vessels that carries blood. You know, heart pumps blood. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. The main duty of heart is to pump the blood, gives the blood. So blood is passing through vessels, blood vessels. These blood vessels are veins and arteries. Heart, it pumps blood actually through blood vessels called veins and arteries. These are the blood vessels that carry blood inside this circulatory system. Heart pumps blood to various parts of the body. It goes through arteries and returns through veins. What happens? It pumps blood to different parts of the body through arteries. Through arteries it goes, then return back to the heart through veins. So through veins it comes back to the heart. Through arteries this blood goes to the other parts of the body. So arteries carry pure blood and veins carry impure blood. So pure blood is there, impure blood is there. So pure blood, arteries carries pure blood and these veins carry impure blood. So the two blood vessels are the arteries and veins. So heart pumps blood to all parts of the body through arteries. It carries pure blood. Then again the blood come back to the heart through veins, that is impure blood. Then it goes through arteries. Blood goes through arteries and returns through veins. Generally arteries carry pure blood and veins carry impure blood. Blood carries oxygen and food to all parts of the body. Blood carries food that we learn in digestive system. I told you the useful substance from the food it carries by blood. So blood carries food and blood carries oxygen also to all parts of the body. Then that's why we are getting energy. So inside this is happening in the circulatory system. Circulatory system means heart, arteries, veins. This all forms the circulatory system. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. So through blood vessels called arteries and veins. So through arteries heart pumps the blood and returns through veins. Arteries carries pure blood, veins carry impure blood. Now next is respiratory system. Respiratory system. Respiratory system. When you breathe, what happens, you know? Just breathe, all of you breathe. Yes. So what is happening? Air through nose, it goes inside our body. Air goes inside our body through nose. We are breathing like this through nose, isn't it? So through nose the air is entering and goes inside to the body. Yes. So nose, windpipe and lungs makes the respiratory system. So when we breathe, air enters through nose. It passes through windpipe, like food passes from mouth to stomach. Same like that here, when air enters through nose, that air goes to the lungs through windpipe. Okay, so nose, windpipe and lungs. Nose, windpipe, then lungs. These all together form the respiratory system. When we breathe, air enters through nose, then it goes to the lungs inside our body through windpipe. It makes the breathing system. The respiratory system helps in exchange of these gases. This actually forms the breathing system, and this exchange gases that forms the respiratory system. It helps to take in oxygen. This respiratory system takes in air, means that air we are taking in, it is oxygen, and we are taking it out, exhale it. We will take air also, we give out, that air is called carbon dioxide. So it helps to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide from the body. The oxygen is used to turn the food, to give us energy to work and play. So oxygen is also used to burn the food inside our body, and because already we learned blood carries oxygen and food to all parts of the body. That's why we are getting energy. Yes, oxygen is used to burn the food, to give us energy to work and play. We have two lungs. Blood is purified in the lungs. You can see in the respiratory system, you can see we have two lungs, left lung and right lung. What happens? Yes, blood is purified in the lungs actually. Yes, so nose, when we breathe, air enters through nose to the lungs through windpipe, and the exchange of gases. Exchange of gas means when we breathe in, oxygen goes inside. When we breathe out, carbon dioxide goes out. So that forms the respiratory system. Okay, so we have two lungs actually, right and left, and blood is purified in the lungs. This blood carries oxygen and food to all parts of the body, which oxygen burns the food, which helps us to get energy to work and play. That is about respiratory system. Now coming to the excretory system. Yes, EHCRETORY, excretory system. What is this system? The system that helps us to get rid of the waste materials from our body is known as excretory system. So in the digestive system, we learned after the food gets digested, where in small intestine digestion gets complete, useful things from the food are taken by blood or absorbed by blood. What happens to the unwanted food? The undigested food goes to large intestine. From large intestine, it will go as waste from our body. The undigested food, unwanted food goes as waste from our body. So this waste, removing of this waste materials from the body, which system helps? Excretory system helps to get rid of, to remove the waste from the body, to remove waste. Excretory system helps to remove waste from our body. To remove waste from our body. Excretory system helps to remove waste from our body. Our body has two kidneys. So which organ, internal organ, helps in doing this, you know? Yes, kidneys. See the picture here? Yes, bean shape. We say bean shaped kidneys, we say. So shape of a bean. So our body has two kidneys. They excrete the waste in the form of urine from the blood. From the blood, what happens? The waste goes out through kidneys in the form of urine. They excrete, they discharge waste or separate the waste in the form of urine. When we pass urine, actually the waste is going out. Whatever our body doesn't want, that waste water is going out in the form of urine. Lungs and skin also throw out waste. Lungs also throw the waste out. How you know? In the form of carbon dioxide, that we already learned. When we breathe air, we take oxygen. When we breathe out, we remove carbon dioxide from our body. So lungs helps in doing that. So lungs throughout the waste in the form of carbon dioxide. What about skin? Our skin also throws waste. How you know? If it is too hot and we sweat, when we do more work we sweat. So skin throw out waste in the form of sweat. Sweating. Here sweat will come. If it is too hot and when we do more work, sweat will come to the body. So skin is throwing out the waste in the form of sweat actually. Yes, so kidneys, they are the excretory organs we say. It helps in removing the waste from our body. Yes, so our body has two kidneys. They separate the waste or they discharge the waste in the form of urine from blood. From blood, that waste form goes out in the form of urine. Whatever blood that our body doesn't want, the water, unwanted water, it goes out in the form of urine with the help of kidneys. Yes. Then the last system we are going to learn is about the reproductive system. Reproductive system. You know what is a reproductive system? It is because of this system. What happens? You know, babies are born, or the system is helps the ability to produce babies, young ones or babies. Because of this system, your parents got beautiful children like you. Yes, so this system helps to produce babies, to enable human life to go on in this world. Yes, so the reproductive system helps in producing babies. There are organs in men and women which helps in the process of reproduction. There are inside our body, there are organs for reproduction. For men also they have, and for women also they have reproductive organ which helps in producing. That's reproductive organ. It is because of this reproductive organ babies are born. Okay, so that is about reproductive organ. More in detail you will learn in higher classes about these organs, okay, or this system. So that's about our different systems.